under one district, one factory. Somebody tell that stupid Captain Smart. Say under one district, one factory facility in tea. And ne Kantanka. Yeah, omukas nam Dubai yo. Omukas nam Saudi Arabia ye ton ho. Is the Ghana youth really serious about developing themselves? Me say here, Aisha, I swear to God, when I read the budget, because okay, first and foremost, let me confess. When I had not read the budget, I was going by what the NDC were saying. Okay, it's NDC for because I say, oh, budget we no dey call IMF no, mo dey mo pa mo hwe finance minister beba because or dey call IMF. This is the IMF budget. Oh, budget we na chere say bibia tete no. We dey you people will know. Or no be gina ho kan a mo be hu sampa Ghana tete apansam. I'm not lying. This is exactly what NDC said. Almost say oh good. Mokai say a HIPIC budget. Mokai. To be honest with you, me NT budget no na mabohu kakra. Because na me tie say NDC for MPs na eka and ye bia na omanya idea about what the budget entails into no mo kasasa. Into na me yemo hihye me fancy mo. I will not lie. To be honest, na me yemo hihye say, "Hey, into NDC for asemo mo kan ya ba mu ampa say ye call IMF. Budget ne ba ye no mo hu say there bi o sa tax okra no ba ko pe ne ye de aba. The only tax introduced in the newest tax I introducing wa de we mu e the e-levy. Taxes a woman in I taxes NDC for the bad that they wo ho. They are tea bi so they are twa bi mu ene wo ho. Na sebe enye ferie. Is Aisha enye ferie enye ya. Enye ni wo so ka ho. Say Ghana ni graduate. Graduate to wako Legon, wako K University, wako Central University, wako Valley View, wako Christian Methodist University, wako nini nebi onim economic indicators. Wako nini nebi onim bias waka so onim anobwa. Na ya tro budget, ya ready budget. The woman ni na no yanka o. The yehu ya say yesi e-levy. Oh. Nanya musu nene nansa makofa boy bi abasa yese glass nko enti yese Ghana yete se glass nko ano. Ananya mo. Wo enda me say face the country for no ye ejimi for no. Me to be honest, I thought this budget would have satisfied face the country people to some extent. Say, omo bebe be gino di ojomo enu mu say, e omo no mama buying pressure and aban ayesa we budget no. I swear, Aisha, I thought that was what they were going to do. I thought say all these fix the country freedom fighters are no mudi atemuno ni ye pejumo me kai Avram Moshe say obeko ghetto akofefe youth no mo government na hell ye pejumo na finally ye the budget yaba anka ko hwe job session no kra na hwe ye create hwiama wa waka say o man create hwiama na mama mi shemu NDC for kakra ha say munim say NDC omo be di aban mu ni na no every year be omo ready budget they go for supplementary budget opa your records na check it. There is no single year even 2011 mutie 2011 kura na Ghana ye economy no epeja ni mu no they still went for supplementary budget opa mu de mo check it obi Google sisi no on can tell me if I'm lying and shame me here obi Google sisi somebody Google it and shame me right now. Akufo Addo for the 5 years, the budget our kind in on Koka say a supplementary budget. This is the first time in the books of Ghana I banye to me huni etia na dwuma yefoka. First, and every week be another demonstration. Ghana for we refi. Single spine salary one. A teacher for actual day 3 years. Yes, every 3 months. Ghana for we refi. Face the country a pejuma the youth need job Abraham Moshe why you hu tie se kwadu ayaka so abo abisa no wa betra we want job ya the budget ya ba de mu hu ya na e-levy eno kwa na mu won se mu yenkurase for na wo se glass nkwa na ase yenko tete sebe mo ma amene mo papa no mo twa so nwi ne omukọ to so nwi ne mfenko sie sa glass nkwa no Okay, the Jeffrey va. Now see you meet things our body send our ass or sapon and on an fan glass and guana mamana. VAT until 2017. Now we are 17.5%. I don't say it true. 17.5%. And then mutia. You were paying 5% on levies and stuff. Akufo Addo be 17 mu. They are when tremunos were reduced. Was there be who no? I didn't hear cause I said Mahama ba or be heading. Well, so I'm my yes, we ended it. One by ended it. How on earth do you guys think like Nyansano we we are graduate here, read the budget and kafa budget and the do na hwede mu yama. There be a sama hama bent the amaka you start to there you when farm ho. Mo the ane say mu ye dida kopem se beti ase se okay na de mahama eba because oba akonfo no be sorry ye be wie ska de amamo. Ye de mudin be hye pay roll so mama didi free mu nya adwuma so na mu didi free. Boy legal connection. And Diane with him, won't you electricity bill, water bill, I won't you be na buying your hot tax calculate project. You got insurance free. What way? I just say one could do fee. Was so fine. What's air condition? What's radio? As TV at the same time. With illegal connection. Illegal connection. You can't see a demonstration, illegal connection for us, almost in a DNM first. We want job for no. A Daniel team, illegal connection. Or many more than for no. Or no one try light bill, won't try water bill. And so you acquire water whole demonstration or share your little t-shirt to do or come home or come on demonstration. When you have no marco t-shirt, be CAB on a neighbor, watch a yellow Jimmy for yes, or more equal demonstration. Like life is sad. Life is so sad. Life is so sad. Say, ye maya ho kwan pa nipa nyame aboye nyansa we yitrim. Yes, politics in the atutuni ni na ayira. Ye di bibia be politics. Champion Mahame on bad da crank yen. Oh, me say Aisha, I'm telling you, I thank you for putting these figures up. Me say every year